Hey everybody, this is Jeremy from HTL. Facebook comment. Somebody was asking how to quarter a picture in Lightburn so they could put it on 4 separate tiles. I don't have any tiles here. I'm not going to burn anything, but let's go over this. Let's go to Lightburn here. I pulled up a photograph that I had burned on steel with my fiber laser, and so we're going to put this into 4 pieces. So you can go into the adjust image. So it is a photograph. Just wanted to, because you can't do this unless it's a photograph. So what do we got here? We have, let's build a rectangle. We're gonna hit this corner, and we're gonna come to this corner. So it's the exact same size. Now we're going to take this number up here. We're going to divide by 2. Do that. That is not what we want to do. I think we have to do this and then try to divide by 2. No. Oh, duh. Ah ha ha. Okay. See this little thing right here? We got to do that. Now, this. Divide by 2. Okay. There we go. Now, I'm going to collect this one, and we're going to go to this one now and divide by 2. But we want to do it here. No. Here. Here. No. We want to divide by 2. Okay. There we go. So, there's our 4 corners. Now, we're going to do the grid array. And luckily for me, it is still set up 0, 0 from, if you guys have watched the live stream where I did the 46-inch tall clock, this is kind of the same principle. We're going to do 1 and 1. So now we've got a grid of 4. Okay. Now we have to ungroup this because we're going to be doing stuff with this. Now we're going to take this whole thing. We're going to copy, paste, paste, paste. And I want another one. I'm going to do a couple more just because I'm an idiot and I'll mess it up. So we have that connected, and we have to hold down shift, collect the photograph. Then we're going to right click our mouse and we're going to crop the image. Okay, now on this particular one, we can delete. Now this one, we're going to hit that one, hold down shift, going to collect this, right click, crop. Okay, so that one's going to go over here. We can delete these. This one, let's collect that box. Hold down shift, collect the photograph, right click, crop, pull that one up here. We can delete those. And then we're going to do this one. Hold down shift. Yeah, I could have gone clockwise all the way around one. That's whatever. Right click, crop. Do it this way. Let's do this. We'll do that. We'll take these. We'll do that. Do this. Do them. Them. And then we can give us. So basically, this is what we have now. All right, now this. We right click this. It's still an image. So we can take this into our adjust image and we can do whatever we need to do to get it so we're engravable. Also, if you need this to be square, we could take this, hold down shift, make a square. What is this? The height. We can take this, And copy that, click on this box, paste that in, boom, there's that one. So now we can drag this to the corner, and we can hold down shift, collect that, right click, and crop. There, now you have a square photograph. Let's undo that. And so I hope that helps you out. Now this is still a photograph because of the way that we did it. And then now you still have the original here. You know, you have a couple of copies of the original here in case you need something different with it. One of the things that I learned, and sometimes I still make that mistake, is that I forget to add extra copies of something that I'm working on so that I can go back without hitting the undo button. And then what I can do also is go back here. Let's hit the undo button. Okay, so I've got this. Now I'll copy this. If I have to go back and do something else, I can come over here and I can paste that in. Now I have a copy of all of it broke up so that I can work with that individually and crop how I need to crop. All right, guys. Well, hey, look, that's a quick little tutorial on how to break up a photograph into 4 pieces. Get your photograph, get your box, divide it, use your grid array, make copies of it, and then collect each box individually, collect your photograph, crop it, and then you've got all four pieces. There's still a photograph. You can still go into your image editing and do your thing. And we'll see you guys on the next one.